Your fridge has a water inlet valve that controls water flow to the ice maker and water dispenser. When it fails, here's what happens and what to do. Symptoms of a bad water inlet valve. The ice maker stops making ice. The water dispenser gives a weak trickle or nothing at all. You hear buzzing from the back of the fridge when pressing the water dispenser, but no water comes out. Or the opposite, the valve leaks and water constantly drips into the ice maker tray, causing ice jams. Where it's located, at the back of the refrigerator, usually at the bottom. The water supply line from your wall connects to it. It has an electrical solenoid that opens and closes the valve based on signals from the fridge. Why it fails: mineral deposits from hard water build up inside the valve and restrict flow. The solenoid coil burns out. The valve body cracks from age. Cost: the part itself costs $30 to $70. With labor, total replacement runs $100 to $200. Can you fix it yourself? If you're comfortable pulling out the fridge, turning off the water supply, disconnecting the water line, unplugging the electrical connector, removing 2 screws, and reconnecting everything to the new valve, yes. It's a moderate DIY job. Before ordering, make sure the water supply valve in your wall is fully open and the water line isn't kinked. 50% of no water calls are supply issues, not valve failures. Water inlet valve replacement. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.